Have you ever dreamed of discovering a fossil that challenges everything we know about evolution? Picture this. Paleontologists working in a remote location in 2008 uncovered fossilized remains that continue to puzzle scientists to this day. These mysterious remnants, preserved for millions of years in ancient rock layers, have sparked countless debates in the scientific community and forced researchers to question their fundamental understanding of evolutionary history. Despite our advanced technology, from high-resolution CT scanners to sophisticated molecular analysis tools, these ancient traces still guard their secrets, teasing us with glimpses of a world we're struggling to comprehend. What makes these fossils so extraordinary? What hidden stories do they hold that even our most sophisticated modern technology cannot unlock? The answers might reshape our understanding of life's journey on Earth. Modern science, with all its remarkable capabilities, sometimes finds itself humbled by these enigmatic messengers from the distant past. These fossils serve as a powerful reminder that nature still holds many mysteries, and that each new discovery has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of life's incredible story. As we delve deeper into these ancient mysteries, we're confronted with an exciting possibility. What if everything we thought we knew about evolution needs to be reconsidered? These perplexing fossils might just hold the key to unlocking new chapters in the story of life on Earth, chapters we never even knew existed. But before we dive deep into this fascinating journey through prehistory, take a moment to join our community of history enthusiasts, curious minds, and fellow time travelers. Like this video and subscribe to The Dawn of Humankind channel, where we regularly explore such incredible stories from our distant past. Hit that notification bell to ensure you don't miss any of our future investigations into humanity's greatest mysteries. Fossils serve as nature's own history books, each one a carefully preserved page in Earth's ancient autobiography. These remarkable remnants tell stories spanning hundreds of millions of years, capturing moments frozen in time when life took dramatic turns and evolution crafted extraordinary creatures. Like a vast library buried beneath our feet, the Earth's sedimentary layers form distinct chapters in this grand narrative. Each stratum represents a different era, complete with its own cast of characters and environmental conditions that shaped life during that time. The deeper we dig, the further back in time we travel, encountering increasingly unfamiliar worlds and bizarre life forms that once called our planet home. These sedimentary chapters are written in nature's own cryptic language, a complex code of mineral replacement, chemical alterations, and preserved impressions. While scientists have become remarkably adept at reading many parts of this prehistoric record, some passages remain stubbornly enigmatic. Certain fossils present us with puzzling features that defy our current understanding of biology and evolution. It's as if some chapters of Earth's autobiography were written in an alien script, using letters and words we haven't yet learned to translate. The challenge of decoding these mysterious records drives paleontologists forward, knowing that each new discovery could be the key to unlocking another secret from our planet's fascinating past. These geological time capsules remind us that despite centuries of scientific advancement, Earth's history still holds countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The story of life on our planet is far richer and more complex than we once imagined, and we're still learning how to read its most ancient and cryptic passages. Journey back to the mysterious Ediacaran period, 560 million years ago, when Earth's oceans were home to some of the most enigmatic creatures ever to exist. Among these ancient inhabitants was Denisovans, perhaps one of the most puzzling organisms ever discovered in the fossil record. Picture an otherworldly being that defied all conventional classification, a creature so bizarre that for decades scientists engaged in heated debates about its very nature. Was it an ancient animal, a primitive fungus, or perhaps something entirely different belonging to a kingdom of life that no longer exists on modern Earth? Shaped like an oval mattress with distinct ridges running across its body, Dickinsonia left behind impressions in ancient seafloor sediments that look more like abstract art than any living creature we know today. These fossils, some reaching up to 3 feet in length, present us with what appears to be a flat, segmented organism that seems to have gently rested on or glided across the ancient seafloor. The creature's body plan is so alien that it challenged our fundamental understanding of early life on Earth. It wasn't until 2018, after decades of scientific detective work, that researchers finally confirmed Dickinsonia was indeed an animal, one of the earliest known members of the animal kingdom. But even with this breakthrough, many questions remain. How did it move? What did it eat? How did it reproduce? These fossilized impressions, like ancient photographs from an alien world, offer tantalizing glimpses of a time when life was experimenting with forms and functions that seem impossible by today's standards. Dickinsonia represents just one character in an entire cast of bizarre Ediacaran creatures that populated our oceans before the famous Cambrian explosion, reminding us that life's early chapters were filled with fascinating protagonists whose stories we're only beginning to understand. In our modern era of technological marvels, where powerful CT scanners can peer inside solid rock and sophisticated molecular analysis can reveal ancient chemical signatures, you might think we've unraveled all the mysteries of prehistoric life. Yet some fossils continue to guard their secrets, defying our most advanced scientific tools and analytical methods. Perhaps no creature better exemplifies this challenge than the infamous Tully Monstrum, better known as the Tully Monster. Discovered in Illinois coal deposits dating back 307 million years, this extraordinary creature has been puzzling scientists for over 6 decades. Imagine a bizarre animal with a long, rigid proboscis ending in a claw-like structure, eyes perched on a rigid bar extending sideways from its body, and a torpedo-shaped form with a fin-like tail. It sounds like something from science fiction, yet its fossils are unmistakably real. Despite applying state-of-the-art technologies like synchrotron radiation, which can reveal microscopic anatomical details, and complex chemical analysis that can identify traces of ancient organic compounds, scientists still debate the basic nature of this creature. Is it a vertebrate related to modern lampreys, an invertebrate with unusual features, or something else entirely? Even advanced techniques that can detect traces of ancient proteins and biomolecules have failed to provide definitive answers. The Tully Monster stands as a humbling reminder that even with our impressive technological arsenal, from electron microscopes that can view structures at the atomic level to artificial intelligence systems that can process vast amounts of comparative anatomical data, some ancient organisms continue to defy classification. This persistent mystery highlights an important truth about paleontology. Sometimes the most sophisticated technology in the world cannot replace the missing pieces of the puzzle that time has erased. Each new technological advance brings fresh hope of solving these ancient riddles. Yet creatures like Tully Monstrum remind us that the history of life on Earth still holds secrets that even 21st century science struggles to decode. One of the most extraordinary challenges facing paleontologists today lies in understanding what Charles Darwin once called the most perplexing problem, the Cambrian explosion. This remarkable period, occurring roughly 541 million years ago, represents one of the most dramatic evolutionary events in Earth's history. Imagine a relatively simple world suddenly transforming into an explosion of biological diversity in what amounts to a geological blink of an eye, just 25 million years. During this revolutionary period, nearly all major animal body plans we know today emerged, alongside countless others that seem to defy imagination. The Burgess Shale Formation in the Canadian Rockies stands as a testament to this extraordinary chapter in life's history. This fossil treasure trove presents us with an almost cinematic glimpse into a world that would make any science fiction writer envious. Here we find creatures like Anomalocaris, a meter-long predator with disc-like eyes on stalks and a mouth resembling a pineapple ring surrounded by sharp plates. Or consider Opabinia, with its 5 eyes and bizarre frontal proboscis that looks like a vacuum cleaner hose. The enigmatic Hallucigenia, first reconstructed upside down, walked on spikes with a row of tentacles along its back. These fossils present paleontologists with profound questions. What triggered this sudden burst of innovation? How did complex features like eyes, hearts, and nervous systems evolve so rapidly? Why did some of these experimental body plans survive while others vanished? The challenge becomes even more complex when we consider the preservation biases in the fossil record. We're trying to piece together an epic story of evolution with only fragments of evidence, like attempting to understand the plot of a movie while missing most of its scenes. The soft-bodied nature of many Cambrian creatures means that only extraordinary circumstances could preserve them, making our window into this crucial period frustratingly narrow. Modern genetic studies add another layer of complexity, suggesting that many genetic tools for building complex animals existed before the explosion, yet we still don't fully understand what sparked their widespread implementation. The Cambrian explosion remains one of science's greatest mysteries, a reminder that even with centuries of research, some of life's most pivotal moments continue to challenge our understanding of evolution's grand narrative. The mysterious fossils scattered throughout Earth's geological record serve not only as windows into our planet's past, but as profound teachers offering lessons that resonate deeply with our modern world. These ancient remains remind us that life has been solving complex problems for billions of years, often developing solutions far more elegant and efficient than our most advanced technologies. Consider the structural engineering marvels found in extinct creatures. Their methods of building strong yet lightweight skeletons could revolutionize our approach to architecture and material science. The way certain extinct marine creatures filtered water might inspire more efficient water purification systems, while the heat regulation strategies of ancient organisms could inform new approaches to climate control technology. These fossilized innovations tell us that nature has been conducting research and development experiments for far longer than humans have existed. The peculiar body plans and survival strategies preserved in the fossil record challenge our assumptions about what's possible in biological design. When we examine creatures like the arthropod Anomalocaris, with its remarkable compound eyes that could see in multiple wavelengths, we glimpse sophisticated optical systems that evolved hundreds of millions of years before humans conceived of camera technology. Even apparent evolutionary dead ends, creatures whose unique adaptations didn't survive to the present day, offer valuable insights into alternative solutions to life's challenges. The way extinct organisms adapted to dramatic climate changes throughout Earth's history might provide crucial insights for understanding how modern species might respond to current environmental challenges. Perhaps most importantly, these mysterious fossils teach us humility. They remind us that despite our technological achievements, we're still unraveling the complex story of life on Earth. Each new fossil discovery has the potential to overturn established theories and reveal previously unimaginable possibilities. By studying these ancient innovations, we might find solutions to contemporary challenges in fields ranging from medicine to environmental conservation. The fossil record isn't just a catalogue of what was, it's a source of inspiration for what could be, offering billions of years of field-tested solutions to complex problems. As we face modern challenges in sustainability, adaptation, and survival, perhaps our ancestors from the deep past still have much to teach us about resilience and innovation in a constantly changing world. In one of paleontology's most fascinating cases of scientific misinterpretation, let me tell you about Hallucigenia, a creature whose very name reflects how mind-bending its appearance was to the scientists who discovered it. First unearthed in the famous Burgess Shale deposits of Canada, this tiny creature, measuring only a few centimeters in length, sparked decades of confusion and debate within the scientific community. For 30 years, paleontologists had been looking at this extraordinary animal completely upside down. Imagine spending 3 decades trying to understand how a creature walked on what were actually its protective spines, while its true legs were mistakenly thought to be tentacles pointing upward into the water column. The original reconstruction showed Hallucigenia balancing precariously on rigid spikes, with a row of soft tentacles along its back, and what was thought to be its head was actually its tail. This bizarre interpretation seemed to defy everything we knew about animal locomotion and functional anatomy, yet scientists struggled to make sense of this apparently impossible creature. The breakthrough came in the early 1990s, when new fossil discoveries and more detailed analyses revealed the embarrassing truth. They had been viewing the creature upside down and back to front. What were thought to be awkward walking spikes turned out to be defensive spines protecting the creature's back, while the supposed tentacles were actually paired walking legs. Even more remarkably, what scientists had long thought was the creature's head was nothing of the sort. It was simply a dark stain that happened to be preserved with the fossil. The real head, complete with simple eyes and a ring of teeth, was finally identified at what had been thought to be the tail end. This dramatic reversal in understanding Hallucigenia serves as a powerful reminder of how challenging it can be to interpret ancient life forms, especially when they don't conform to our expectations of how animals should look and function. The story of Hallucigenia stands as one of the most dramatic examples of how scientific understanding can be completely transformed when new evidence comes to light, and how even the most basic assumptions about prehistoric life forms can turn out to be literally upside down. Every new fossil discovery is like finding another piece in the grand puzzle of life's history on Earth, each one bringing us closer to understanding our planet's remarkable evolutionary journey. Yet as we've explored today, some of these ancient puzzles still have missing pieces that continue to challenge and intrigue scientists worldwide. The mysterious creatures we've discussed, from the enigmatic Dickinsonia to the perplexing Tully Monster, remind us that Earth's history holds countless secrets still waiting to be uncovered. These fossilized remains tell stories of worlds dramatically different from our own, populated by creatures that push the boundaries of what we thought possible in biological design. Each discovery has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of evolution and life itself. The most exciting part, we're still in the early chapters of understanding our planet's incredible story. New technologies and fresh perspectives continue to shed light on ancient mysteries, but countless fossils still lie undiscovered beneath our feet, waiting for the next generation of scientists to unearth them. Perhaps you, watching this video right now, will be the one to make the next groundbreaking discovery. Maybe you'll be the scientist who finally cracks the code of the Tully Monster, or uncovers an entirely new species that changes everything we thought we knew about evolution. The future of paleontology holds infinite possibilities, and the next great discovery could come from anywhere, even from a curious mind like yours. The mysteries we've explored today are just the beginning of an endless journey into Earth's fascinating past. If these ancient enigmas have captured your imagination, if you found yourself wondering about the countless untold stories hidden in rock layers around the world, then you're already thinking like a paleontologist. Don't miss out on our upcoming explorations into Earth's mysterious past. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on future adventures through time. Together, we'll continue to unravel the incredible mysteries of ancient life, one fossil at a time. The next groundbreaking discovery could be just around the corner, and we want you to be part of this exciting journey into Earth's remarkable history.